Are you frustrated trying to use a mouse and a keyboard on Xbox for Rainbow Six Siege? Don't worry, I'm here to help you to make it work, and it's easier than you think. So first you're going to check if your Xbox supports mouse and keyboard. You're going to need a newer Xbox model that has this feature built in. And if you're all set, connect your mouse to the keyboard to the USB ports on your Xbox. So once that's done, you're going to make sure that your Xbox is set to allow mouse and keyboard input. So you're going to go to your settings, you're going to find devices and connections, that section, and make sure that it's turned on for games like Rainbow Six Siege. Now, let's move to the in-game settings. So open the settings menu, go to the control section. You're going to see options for mouse sensitivity and key bindings. So basically adjust the mouse speed to your liking and change the key bindings to make sure everything feels comfortable. So if you're still having trouble, try restarting the game or your Xbox. Sometimes the system needs a little bit of reset to make everything work properly. And yeah, so if you're ready to dominate Rainbow Six Siege, let me know in the comments. See you soon.